It's so nice to have you back. If this is your first time here, my name is Noemi. In today's video, I have many fall related ideas for organizing, cleaning and cooking. We're gonna have a rain tomorrow, so today I am going to try to accomplish everything that I need to do outside, and I'm going to work inside as well, but I'm going to start out with cleaning the windows. What's going on here? Are you okay? These chickens are just pure entertainment. I'm going to use this brush to remove the main dirt, and that will save me some laundry because my rags are not going to be that dirty. I don't know how about you guys, but when I clean, I'm kind of like all over the place and I'm misplacing items. So that happened with this brush as well. Although at first I thought this was a genius idea to hang the brush on the tripod. I like to clean my windows usually on the spring and on the fall, because on the spring, all the winter and the rain, I just really don't wash the window in the rain. So it definitely needs some cleaning, but on the fall as well, because we have so many dust. We don't have a lots of grass because we have so many pine trees, so all this dust, as you can see on the screen, it all goes through on that window. So I like to clean the screen more often. It is a gorgeous day with this beautiful sunshine, and it is a perfect time to clean up the deck, because once the rain hits it, all this dirt is just going to stick to it. So I'm going to get this done before the rain arrives. I don't know why, but this is the area where we get the most of the cobwebs, but I think it's because this light is always on and it just attracts all the bugs and creatures. So I'm going to sweep off all the cobwebs, and I'm going to clean the window and the screen as well. We don't have a freezing temperatures yet, but I'm not going to use this fountain now because we're going to have so much rain we don't even hear the sound of it. So I'm just going to put this and set aside for the summer, and I'm going to pull out all the tomato plants that doesn't have any tomatoes on it, and I just harvested what it's left. Another thing that is just become a habit for me on the fall, some reason I just like to gather more food. Probably it's because it's related to the harvest, and it's because we don't have a garden during the winter and fall time, so I have to have more things from the store. So I figured out something, guys. This is something I was struggling with. That is, I had some food at home and it was fit into the jar more or less, and I just used up the leftover, but I always forget something from the store, and finally it came to my mind. I just realized that it's because my jars are too small. So I find these giant ones, and it's for kombucha making, so that's why you saw that cloth that it came with and some rubber bands, because originally how I find that it's a kombucha making jar, but for me it's gonna be something I'm going to use for storage. And the key is to have a big size, so that way I can stock up more and I'm not going to run out really fast from the items that I use. So this is gonna be working so well, but I will let you know further down, because I'm trying to changing around some things with organizing, so I will share this with you. And if it's fall, I have to make some tea. I like tea on the summer as well, but on the fall it's necessarily, and I have to add some extra spices as well. And there's no fall without baking. To me, fall means is more baking, because the kitchen is gonna be warm, and I love the smell of the dough that has yeast in it, and it just warms the whole house up, and we can have something that we love to eat. I know you guys want this recipe, so I ordered a bunch of flour so I can work on to measure it out for you, and I will post this on my website eventually once I measured everything out. But it's been a lot of testing going on, and I think I finally got there where we like it, and it's really a perfect texture. It's not too dry, it's very juicy. And meanwhile I am going to bake. I like to clean up the kitchen as well, so that way I'm not going to end up with a messy kitchen, and it's not going to be too overwhelming on the end. For dinner I made some goulash, and this is something I like to do. Well, we like it on the summer, but for fall we definitely have some soup. Now I am going to continue the fall cleaning routine, and if you haven't seen my previous video, I will link it down below, but I shared one section how I cleaned it, and now I'm moving on to the next one. So I'm taking it one by one, and that way it's not as overwhelming, and to be honest it's just more doable time wise, because I still have to teach the boys. I'm going to use some tangerine and Douglas fir in my diffuser. It's definitely a fall feeling to me. And another fall routine for me is to collect the seeds and beans that I'm going to use next year in my garden. I wanted to show this to you guys because it works so well. So this box is from IKEA. I got it a long time ago. It has sections in there. I saved these jars from, it was a coconut yogurt and it tastes really good. I really love it. And then I saved all the seeds, so I have the labels on them, and this is from my garden, so I'm going to plant them next year as well. This is the red scarlet, so this is for the next year. I'm already started to set aside what I'm going to plant in my garden. I've got some stubborn spots on my pot, but after soaking and using a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, it worked really nice. After a busy day, I like to bring in little lights into the kitchen because I have such a white light. I like to use these little ones because it makes a much softer atmosphere. Sometimes I burn some candle as well just to make it cozy, and it helps me to fall asleep easier as well because I'm not exposed to this bright light, and it just makes everything cozy. Here's a new day, and today is raining, guys. So I'm so glad I got done this bunch of things yesterday, but today I'm going to focusing more things to do inside. Okay, my eyes are more open now. So I like to take care of the things in the morning in the kitchen just to start on the breakfast, and then I am going to fix the bedroom. This is usually in my morning routine, so I'm just going to quickly show you what I like to do in the morning just to get ready for the day, because then after that I have to teach the boys, and then after that I can do the cleaning. So I'm going to share this little routine that I do in the morning where I catching up with things, and then I am going to continue the fall cleaning routine. A very quick vacuuming in the kitchen and under the table and around the entrance. This door, we use this a lot. And then in the bathroom, just to, maintain it. And then a little bit of a tidying up. It is afternoon now, so we are done with the learning, so I can focus more on these fall related things. So I keep continue this organizing, and I might be going to do another video that is separate from that, how and why I did the way I did this organizing. So this is the third day that I'm working on the kitchen. So this is gonna be the third section, I would say. And I really like this method because it's less overwhelming. I can think through if I have something that I wanna get rid of, so I can really just look through all those layers that I have there, how it's working and how it's not working out for me. And I can just clean it, and it's less overwhelming than do it all at once. I have days when I have more time, and I have days when I have less time. So I'm just very flexible with this fall cleaning routine. Fall is a great time to look through what it needs to be repaired. If there's a summer clothing or something else that needs to be fixed, now I'm going to take care of it. Kids can do the funniest things even with the most boring task. And of course, the fall cleaning routine includes switching the clothes as well. But since I had this unpacking situation about 2 weeks ago, I already done with that. So I just put the very hot summer clothes into the suitcase, and that's how I keep it in the closet. And I also have some clothes that are really for the cold winter time, so I haven't unpacked those. So this is for the today cleaning routine for the fall, and I'm going to have a lots of other fall related videos that will include cleaning and all kinds of fun things, and that I cannot wait to share it with you. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to subscribe. You can continue watching if you click on the icon on the screen. If you like this video, please share it with your friends or on other platforms or social media. That will help my channel so much. Thank you for watching and see you guys soon. Bye!